The last exchanges closed $4, which in a real sense is very critical. Velo, all things considered, has a medium-term obstruction at $5 in an unobtrusive manner. Velo's a May 10, all things considered, shows a descending pattern, which certainly is very huge. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they fundamentally thought. 24 February 2024. In this video, we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these habitually generally sought clarification on pressing issues facts, what in a real sense is in every practical sense momentary cost expectation for Velo in every way that really matters is Velo an excellent interest in an in every way that really matters large way. Velo support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Velo specialized investigation, let us especially discuss the really current economic situations are kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there especially was a destruction of 184%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1 977 896 265 575, which sort of shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unpretentious way. The sort of complete exchanging volume by and large stands at $50 334 576 911 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51 543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 142%. Coming to $2 987.48 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a cost difference in 192%. Inside a similar time span, which especially shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2 987.48 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Sol, the exceptionally local coin of Solana, explicitly is up by 2.3 and as of now exchanging at $103.77, exhibiting that Velo support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Furthermore, XRP came to $55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. These occasions most certainly show that the market by and large is going in a really descending course for certainly transient in a sort of huge manner. Right now, a truly broad, essentially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market. Fundamentally further appearance how Sol, the truly local coin of Solana, especially is up by 2.3 and presently exchanging at $103.77, exhibiting that Velo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they especially thought. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, showing that the kind of all-out exchanging volume really remains at $50 334 576 911, which especially is very huge. Support especially is a level at which purchases sort of become sort of more beautiful, dynamic, and really prevent the coins cost from falling any further, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which dealers truly become move truly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher in an unpretentious manner. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file Velo buy and large is exchanging at $4 with an exchanging volume of $1 543 743 and so market investigation over the last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1 977 896 265 575, which truly shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an exceptionally significant manner. However, Velo generally has a value decline of 5.82% in the sort of last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week with an exceptionally all-out market capitalization of $186 at 353 US, exhibiting how following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo for the most part is exchanging at $0.04 with an exchanging volume of Ghana 1,543, 743 as in. So market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575, which generally shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which by and large is very critical. Velo value examination, Velo cost examination for 24 February 2024 inside a day-to-day time span for the most part made sense of beneath, exhibiting that the genuinely all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $50, 334, 576, 911 in a huge manner. We utilize pretty relative strength indexes, moving fundamentally normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving pretty normal SMA and dramatic moving essentially normal MA to generally examine the future development of the Velo in a kind of large manner. The in every practical sense, relative strength list RSI shows that the Velo coin by and large is in oversold stage, as RSI generally is at 30. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. The Velost, moving extremely normal union and dissimilarity MACD pointer, especially as demonstrating a present moment essentially sells certainly signal as the MACD line in every practical sense, is moving beneath truly signal line which in every practical sense implies certainly bears generally are ruling on the lookout. So similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants generally become moved truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which explicitly is genuinely huge, while Velo's Williams percent R marker really is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and fundamentally transient pattern kind of inversion, especially as conceivable, extremely further appearance how support generally is a level at which purchases become substantially more certainly dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which sort of is genuinely huge. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, which essentially shows that market examination over the very last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the fundamentally whole cryptographic money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575, which in a real sense shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. Velo explicitly is moving in kind of descending course as truly bears effectively sort of take the coin beneath quick help level of $4, showing how the very all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $50, 334, 570.